Well, it was a hot one yesterday, that's for sure. The hot spot around Puget Sound was actually Shelton, officially anyway. Shelton checked in at 99 degrees yesterday afternoon. Not too far behind it, Olympia Airport at 96 degrees was one of our hot spots. However, if it makes you feel any better, they recorded triple, probably won't, but they had triple digits up and down the Willamette Valley yesterday. And I think the Vancouver airport recorded a temperature of 108 degrees at one point yesterday afternoon. Just really cooking down there. Pretty excessively warm for sure. Here locally, though, we're going to be looking for pretty much a repeat around Puget Sound today with temperatures right back where they were yesterday for that matter. And because of that, excessive heat warning continues from the Weather Service. Basically, all the magenta, so pretty much across the state with well into the triple digits over in eastern Washington. Looking for like 107, 108 degrees there in Yakima and Wenatchee, Ellensburg, Chelan. Looking at the temperatures probably around 104, 105 degrees today. So really, really hot over there. The orange areas are heat advisories, and we continue to see that cooler strip really from north of Seattle up through Everett, Marysville, and on up towards Bellingham and over towards Whidbey Island, where high temperatures are staying pretty much in the 80s. In fact, Whidbey Island still, especially on the west side, staying kind of in the upper 70s and low 80s there near the water. Definitely a place to go to cool off. Unfortunately, we continue with a red flag warning. It's been dropped for the Olympics in southwestern Washington, where it was yesterday. There's being a little bit of marine influence out there, but over the west slopes of the Cascades, roughly above about 1,500 feet, that red flag warning continues up in the mountains. But we continue to have critical fire danger really in a lot of places in the lowlands too. Very easy for fires to start with all the dry fuels out there and the really, really hot temperatures. So overall, first alert weather day again today and for tomorrow with that excessive heat warning today. Temperatures in the 90s, might get close to 100, but definitely some mid to upper 80s, mid to upper 90s in the South Sound. Again this morning, overnight lows not all that low, mostly in the mid 60s to the low 70s. Still 75 degrees at SeaTac right now, and we'll continue that red flag warning today along the west slopes of the Cascades. They're indicating it might be continued on into tomorrow potentially. Take a look out this morning. We have clear skies, not a cloud in the sky for that matter. Temperatures you can see from our SchoolNet sites ranging from the mid 60s to the mid 70s at this hour. And smoke, well, a little bit of good news there. We do have a little bit of it near the Cascade foothills today, which will decrease our air quality to moderate, it looks like. But as we head towards tomorrow, the effect of increasing onshore winds will push all that smoke away from us. You can see today near the Cascade foothills, we're seeing a little bit of a decrease in our air quality. And our forecast overall, sunny and hot today. Temperatures mostly in the 90s. Will cool a few degrees tomorrow, a few more Thursday with highs mostly in the 80s. The coast will actually get some cooling today. We'll be back into the mid to upper 70s and near 80 degrees Friday, and over the weekend we'll stay in that range. And Monday, mid 70s, partly sunny, and maybe a chance of a few showers up in the mountains.